Hello, people. As of yesterday, I didn't do a recording, and I was missing it. Yeah, I'm like, my God, I just have to do recordings to stay sane. Which is no, today Instagram I did 7 posts today, like one after the other, which I normally never do so many posts, but I don't know. Yeah, I was getting a lot of backlog, like many people wanting to get featured or whatever. I only literally approach them, and then I have their clips with me, and I'm not posting it. So today I posted 7 posts, and but tomorrow, say, I'll still do only that one post a day thing. But anyway, so you know what? In this morning, I read this book called X and Y. Like I finished reading the whole thing. It's by Tom Whipple, and this book X and Y speaks about the fact that gender itself can sometimes be a like scientists have wondered whether gender itself is a construct, like as in we just create the society has just created the whole gender difference, gender whatever. Of course, we are physically different, but no, this book busts that notion that gender is something that society creates. Gender is inherently, we are, you know the male brain is different from the female brain, and then this book also speaks about these different genders in between, like basically the third gender also, like so all that apart, what is interesting about this book X and Y is that somewhere in Denmark, and in fact elsewhere also, but in Denmark they did this study of a girl approaching rank strangers and asking whether, you know they would want to, whatever, like a guy also approached rank strangers and asked if if anybody would be willing to, whatever, get into bed with them. And apparently the girl, who was just average looking, and the guy also, like, it's a study, right? None of the men who were approached by the girl ever refused the girl, or the ones who refused were like highly apologetic. They were like, oh, I'm married, oh, I have a girlfriend, so I can't. So it was just, the study was conducted to show just how different the genders are in having to navigate the world around, when in fact the guy who approached the girls for, like, getting jiggy with it, all the girls were like, none of the girls who were approached ever agreed to such a proposition, to such a suggestion. So it's interesting. The style of writing is also very witty. No, I realized that my reviews tend to be very short, so I should speak at length, but it's okay. So it'll become too long if I speak for too long. But yeah, do try and read this, people. It's called X and Y by Tom Whipple, and it is such a brilliant book. I'm thinking I'll try and find this gentleman on Instagram and send him a message and all, if I can find him, Tom Whipple, because it's a good book. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.